What is the best way of obtaining a medical power of attorney? My mother-in-law is not fully competent and in and out of the hospital. My father-in-law fails to understand what he is being told by the healthcare providers and has her discharged before she is able to fully recover.
Okay. So she can voluntarily give one to this person if they're the person that wants to have the power of attorney and
But if she's
to
not
be able to make the medical.
competent.
But if she's not competent, then that's a big question.
Guardianship,
You have
right?
to get a guardianship. You have to go into the probate court, at least in Texas, and you have to get a guardianship in place where the court basically gives you the legal permission to make the medical decisions for her.
That's why it's really important to get a estate plan and make sure you have all that stuff.
Yeah. Well, but the other issue is she probably has a plan that says her husband, who apparently is also having issues, and the problem you've got is says, well, if I can't do it, then let my husband make my decisions. And the husband says, if I can't do it, let my wife make the decisions.
Right.
If they both kind of go, because they're both probably getting old together, and a lot of times they kind of go the same direction. And I'm wondering, well, they're eating probably the same diet, like they're both probably going off. So if neither of them, then a proper estate plan would automatically have the next people in line that can do that. Like, for example, if you sign a power of attorney, you usually list this person, and if they can't or won't, then this person. If they can't or won't, then this. Let's say this is you, and there's somebody ahead of you. You have to figure out and show that they're not capable or competent. And so that can be difficult. You may need a doctor or something that shows that they're not competent because, like let's say the oldest daughter and then the husband and then the wife. The husband takes care of the wife's stuff. And her point is, the husband can't do this anymore. I should be the next one. Hopefully they executed that when everybody was normal and had the power to be able to execute it. And if not, you got to go in and convince a judge that that's what needs to happen.
It sounds like that's the situation.
It does sound like that's the
that
situation.
the husband is not making good medical decisions. They're concerned about that.
That's the type of thing that we do, and she needs to hire a lawyer to do that. And I'm really sorry to hear about her family because it sucks when this happens. But man, this does suck. And look, it's going to happen.
Hard.
It happens to virtually every family. So please get an estate plan in place.
Yeah.
This is the Lawyer Dana Show.